Hello and welcome. In this wacky construct today, we're going to be visualizing electromagnetism. And all we're going to need is this bar magnet and some iron filings. And what you'll see is essentially what we can't see with the naked eye. The iron filings will reveal that. So, it's a quick one. Let's get started. So here we have our bar magnet right here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray iron filings. What there is at the moment with this bar magnet is there's electromagnetism happening. But you can't see it, it's invisible to us. So with these iron filings here, what we can do is we can visualize the invisible. So let's start spraying. You can see them starting to gather around the magnet. You keep spraying, you can see here that there's definitely a circle appearing around it, and you can see also that there's lines appearing. Can you see that? There's lines all the way around, and that is the electromagnetic forces acting with the magnet to create the magnetism. So that's pretty cool. So like I said, it's a short one. Bit wacky, not out there completely, but it's a great start to this channel here. Please do subscribe to my channel, and I hope you enjoyed that one. It only gets even more crazier as the videos go on. But at the moment, we're in lockdown and I'm in my little London flat, and so have to make do with what we've got. Thanks very much for watching.